Hello and welcome to another Sonic Wall video tutorial. My name is MG Sriramaya, Senior Tech Support Engineer, Sonic Wall. In this video, I'm going to show you how internal interfaces can obtain global IPv6 addresses using DHCPv6 Prefix Delegation. DHCPv6 Prefix Delegation is a method of assigning network address prefixes by an ISP to a subscriber's network. These are the steps to configure IPv6 prefix delegation. Configure a WAN interface in DHCP and enable prefix delegation. Configure the LAN and WLAN interfaces for prefix delegation. Test the configuration. I am now logged into the Sonic Wall Management interface and have navigated to the Network Interfaces page. In this video tutorial, the X2 interface is connected to the ISP's router and its zone has been set to WAN. Set View IP version to IPv6. Click on Configure on the X2 interface. Set the IP assignment to DHCPv6. Enable the checkbox Enable DHCPv6 Prefix Delegation. Here we have an option to request a particular delegated prefix by checking Send Preferred Delegated Prefix. For this video, we don't enable it. Optionally, you may enable the checkbox Send Hints for renewing previous delegated prefix on startup, and the checkbox Send Hints for renewing previous IP on startup. Click on the Advanced tab. Make sure the option Enable Listening to Router Advertisement is checked. Click on OK to save. Refresh the page and you can see the interface has obtained an IPv6 address. Now edit the X0 interface. Make sure IP assignment is set to static and make sure Enable Router Advertisement is checked. Click on the Advanced tab. Click on Add Address. In this window, select Add Downstream Delegated IPv6 Address. Set Delegated Prefix Assignment to X2 Delegated Prefix. We may set a preferred IPv6 address for this interface. Enter either a full IPv6 address or the host bit. For this video, we enter the host bit 2 and a length of 64. Enable the checkbox Advertise Subnet Prefix of Static IPv6 Address. Back in the Edit Interface window, click on OK. You can see that an IPv6 address has been assigned to the X0 interface. Now let us do the same for the WLAN interface. Set the preferred IPv6 address for this interface to 3 and keep the length as 64. Click on OK to save. Back in the Edit Interface window, you can see that an IPv6 address has been assigned to the WLAN interface. Since we have enabled router advertisement, IPv6 hosts behind the X0 and WLAN interfaces will auto-assign a global IPv6 address from the router advertisement messages. I am on a host connected to the X0 interface of the Sonic Wall, and you can see it has auto-configured a global IPv6 address in the X0 IPv6 subnet. This concludes this video on how internal interfaces can obtain global IPv6 addresses using DHCPv6 Prefix Delegation. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about Dell Sonic Wall security products, visit dellsoftware.com/solutions/network-security. For more video tutorials, visit dellsoftware.com/support.